transforming maintenance from reactive triage to mission-ready decision-making with Pulsar, predictive maintenance for operational readiness. Modern assets generate massive amounts of data, but lack the visibility and integration needed to act on it. Pulsar closes that gap by transforming raw operational data into real-time insights, from reactive maintenance to predictive operations. From commanders to engineers, Pulsar connects readiness insights with maintenance actions to keep missions on track, then provides direct access to sensor data for faster investigation, diagnosis, and mission-critical maintenance decisions. Interact with Pulsar using natural language to receive context-aware answers, visualizations, and insights grounded in real-time sensor data. Detect degradation early and restore platforms to mission-keepable status faster with predictive maintenance insights. Pulsar identifies anomalies before failure, reducing unplanned downtime and improving safety across distributed operations. By driving smarter maintenance and supply decisions with data-driven insights, Pulsar reduces lifecycle costs and inefficiencies to optimize sustainment while reducing risk. Pulsar transforms asset data into predictive intelligence by combining multi-source data fusion, AI-driven analytics, and integrated maintenance workflows. Robust real-time data collection increases visibility, capturing signals that were previously inaccessible or ephemeral. Pulsar brings processing power closer to the point of action with edge analytics in distributed and contested environments. Pulsar supports decision-making across the full sustainment ecosystem. Program managers gain real-time asset readiness visibility to drive proactive decisions. Systems engineers identify root causes of degradation before failure occurs. Maintenance and supply teams receive prioritized alerts, diagnostics, and guidance, while operational analysts leverage data-driven insights to improve sustainment strategies and long-term readiness. Pulsar is designed with modular, open architecture that integrates seamlessly into existing government systems while maintaining full data ownership and security. That's 100% government-owned data, models, APIs, and interfaces. Secure, compliant cloud architecture, a modular open systems approach for rapid integration and scalability, and end-to-end data lifecycle support from edge collection to enterprise analytics. Pulsar enables organizations to shift from reactive maintenance to predictive operations, improving readiness, reducing risk, and delivering data-driven advantage across complex assets. To learn more, request a demo, or connect with the Pulsar team, visit metrostar.com/Pulsar.